If you are a MIUI phone user, like you have a Xiaomi device, Poco or Redmi, you need two software in your PC or Mac. The first one you need is the Mi Unlock tool, which you can use to unlock your phone and then enjoy any other regional ROM that you feel has some future, or just test them out. The second one is Mi Flash Tool. So with the Mi Flash Tool, you can actually return whether you're in custom ROM, custom recovery, whatever you are in, or your phone is bricked, you can flash the original firmware or even other original firmware to your phone using the Mi Flash Tool. But it does come with its own problems. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 top problems that is encountered while using Mi Flash Tool and how to fix them. If you're ready, let's get started. Okay, welcome back again to Smart Depot, and this is Happy New Year to all our viewers, subscribers all over the world. This is the first video I started the year with a very bad sore throat. I couldn't even speak up well, but I'm fine now. It wasn't COVID, and so thank you for the support. If you want to know how to use Mi Flash Tool, I already made a video on that, how to use it with the Poco F3 to flash stock MIUI back to your phone, whether you're on custom ROM or whether you're on another MIUI. So you can also use it to unbrick your phone and even relock your phone. Maybe that's when you want to sell it. You can click on the cards right now to watch that video, or you can check the description or watch it at the end of this video. So let's get started. Where to download the latest Mi Flash Tool is the biggest problem of using Mi Flash Tool. Many websites there gives different kind of latest. This one, their latest is 2018 version, and then I downloaded it from another site. Their latest is 2020 version. The 2018 version sort of bricked my device. The 2020 version wasted my time flashing and ended up not flashing anything. So if you can have the latest Mi Flash Tool, it has solved half of your problem or more. Now there is also error in this old one, all types of error, which I will explain and how to solve it. But thanks to the Poco F3 developer community, they gave me the latest 2021 Mi Flash Tool, which is still relevant throughout 2022. Delete all the old ones, and I'll put the link in the description for this. So make sure you subscribe, because I will keep updating in the comment section the latest Mi Flash Tool once the developer gives it out. Number 2 is the log error. Now the log error happens because if you're using the 2018 or the 2020, once you turn it on, it will show you log error, and if you read carefully, it means that there is no log folder in the extracted file. You can easily solve that problem by creating a folder called log inside where you extracted the Mi Flash Tool. It's just a simple small letters LOG folders. That's all you create, because Mi Flash Tool logs everything. I will explain later in the video why it's important. Those logs are important. But if you're using the latest Mi Flash Tool, you won't even have this problem in the first place. So that first solution is the best. So always read your logs. Now, people always think that it is developers only that requires the log, right? Or maybe people who are coding or computer science like me. But no, the good thing about the log of Mi Flash Tool is so simple, written in simple English. I'm going to show you there are 2 types of log: the process log, which is this one, and then the result log. The process log will show you how a device was plugged in, whether a device was the process started, how the process was going, the process was stopped. You get to read this thing, and when the device was removed, you get to, and you see the serial number of the device on there. So you get to read this thing in simple English. So anybody who can understand simple English language can. Then you also have the results log. So at the end of the flashing, what exactly happened? So Mi Flash Tool will give you like this log now show there was error, which I will explain how to fix it and not catch checkpoint error. So you always read the logs. It will give you insight. Even if it's authentication, I will still explain that towards the end of the video. Now let me explain that not catch checkpoint error. Now this is a configuration issue. You see, if you have that error, you will whatever you flashed will complete and then it will boot. So this is what I flashed. So I flashed the MIUI 12.5 then when I was doing this, and then it flashed completely and it boot even though it was given the error. So the configuration error of no catch a checkpoint is a fast boot check to say if the device locked and then wiped everything, then let me know. If it doesn't, I will give error. So now that is this error. Now how do you fix this error? This error does not stop you from doing anything. It will flash, but if you don't want to see it after flashing, then it's very, very simple. And we're going to fix it. The simplest way to fix it is you open the Mi Flash Tool, click on configuration, Mi Flash configuration. If you scroll down here, you will see checkpoints. Are you seeing that now? Fast boot is locked. So this is to check whether the device was locked. Clear it, click OK, and next time you flash, you will not have that checkpoint error result. So let's go to the next one, using stock USB and run Mi Flash Tool as admin. I've already shown that in the earlier video that when you are unlocking bootloader, if you're not using the right USB or the stock USB, you might run into extra problems. So make sure you're using out of the box and then run it as admin. You have to run it as admin. Yeah, so this was during the bootloader unlock video. You can click on the cards right now to watch that video where I showed that third-party cable may not work for bootloader unlock. The same is also applicable to Mi Flash Tool. So I'm going to now go to give you the bonus, to cover the fifth one. I'm going to give you the bonus. Now the bonus here is that you have to install all the USB drivers. If you're having any error, make sure you install all the USB driver and then check your COM port, and then there's authentication. There are some things you might be trying to flash that might require authentication from you click authentication, it brings something out in Chinese. So don't bother. I'm going to guide you on how to turn it to English, and then you can sign into your Mi account and try to flash. If the log, click on the right side and then click English, click on the right side and then log in with your Mi account. So follow the prompt, the process. It will want to verify your Mi account. So make sure there is a phone number attached to your Mi account that is also in the phone. Is very, very necessary. So let me know in the comment section if you have any other problem with Mi Flash Tool that I didn't cover here, but it's also a big problem for you. And then I will try to answer you in the comment section. Happy New Year once again. 2022 is going to be great, and 2023 and beyond. And until I see you in the next video, peace. Subscribe. I'll see you.